Alright, this is Joseph over here at Jamco Digital Marketing, and I just wanted to take a few minutes of your time to, go through your website, and I just picked out a few things that could really help improve the traffic on your website, which I'll show you all that in this app that I have over here in a second. But I just wanted to go over a few things with you, three things actually, that would really, gain more customers to come to your website and, get more traffic and more phone calls and pretty much more clients. Really, that's what that's what we're looking for. So, let's see. The first thing I wanted to talk to you about was I really love your website. Me and my team were going over it, and it looks really good. These pictures are really nice. And I like these testimonials down here. This is good. So let's go back up at the top. So if you see, you don't have on your first page is that 1,000 to 1,500 words that Google's looking for on your front page. They're really crawling your website for these keywords as well. So they're looking for this auto glass replacement in Jacksonville, St. Augustine. You want that all over your website. Different keywords as well. What are people looking up on Google? So that. So imagine people typing in their keyboards or looking up, okay, my glass is broken or chipped, and I'm trying to get it replaced. So what do? I would go to Google and try to get a quote from their website, right? So you would type in auto glass replacement, Jacksonville, Florida. So let's just do that right now. Auto glass replacement. Jacksonville, Florida. See all these companies that are up at the top right here? You want to be in this map pack right here, right? And of course we can do that. We can put you here at the very top. Because if somebody comes in here, they're going to go to more businesses and boom, they're going to go to their website because they're the first, right? And my goal is to get y'all to the first right here in this map pack, in these three. And also, you're not down here either. Let's see. So you want to be in this is what we call organic search. So you want to be in these organics. Usually there's ads at the top of here, and you can pay Google to be at the very top, right? So if you wanted to go that route, you could. There's just a fee along with that. So I'd really help you get to these right here, to this organics, and I'd help you get to the top of this list right here. Alright. So first, we talked about your keywords. That's really important. You need at least probably 10 to 15 keywords on your front page. But also you need a lot of backlinks. So I already put your website into one of my tools that I use so I can see how many backlinks you have. So you have around 31, and that's good. But this is good. These are all the backlinks. What I call them is, link juice, right? Because in order for people to go on a different website and click on that link, it brings you back to your website. It wants to tell Google that you're the best in that area, right? So let's go to the top competitor right here. Let's see how much he has. So let's go to website. Alright, I don't know why it's asking for that, but let's go to the second competitor and see what they say. So let's go here, let's paste them to here. Overview. See how many backlinks they have. So they have, 2,000 backlinks, right? So, yeah, around 2,000 backlinks. I just saw it. So, obviously, like we have a lot of catching up to do, but I mean, we can obviously get there, that's even 3K. So, backlinks are super important. They really help your website rank, right? So you definitely need to need some more backlinks, which is something we provide as well. And also, the last thing I wanted to go over with you is citations, right? And citations are your name, address, and phone number. So if you're reading an article so around your area, let's say that there's 10 auto glass replacements near me, and Yellow Pages. Let's see, I'll just show you Yellow Pages, which is a good website that you can get put your citation on and actually backlink it to your website, which is good. So citations are really important. You can get here on Yellow Pages. It will say top 30 auto glass replacements in the area. So you'll be on that. You'll be on Yellow Pages, and Yellow Pages isn't the only source, of course. There's a lot of other ones out there, and we can put you on all those. But so I was going to go to white. And I will just look you up real quick. I'll look up how many citations you have right now and what your competitor will have. So, let's see here, searches. Search. There we go. Just look up how many citations y'all have. Might take a little bit. Let's see here. So you have one citation, and you want at least 200 to 300 citations. Or there you go. Yeah, update it again. So you have 13. Still, I mean, you need probably 200 to 400, something around there. So we went over keywords. You need to have at least 1,500 words on your front page. You need backlinks, which is the link juice. You can be on Yellow Pages for your citations. Top 30 auto glass companies in the area, or the best auto glass replacement places in the area. You can be on all of those. And we could obviously get you there. So if you want to go through with this, then that's completely fine. You can shoot me over an email, or you can go to my website, or you can just give me a call. My phone number is 706-818-2436, and I'll give you my website as well. I'll go to it real quick. JamcoDigitalMarketing.com. So JamcoDigitalMarketing.com, and we did a free audit for y'all. But again, you can do all this for free if you wanted to. You just go in and edit your website and bold these words right here so you can really pop out to Google, and show them that you're important, and that'd really help you rank. But if you'd like to go through with our services, that'd be great as well. So if you'd like to give us a call, or even just visit our website, and we can get back in contact with you. Alright, I appreciate your time. Thank you.